Rain and temperature drop is coming to Benidorm town. We've been so lucky to enjoy a nice and gorgeous weather in Benidorm, but this night it already started to rain. It is morning time, it is Saturday, and the city is just waking up. First, people can be seen already, those heading to work, having a nice morning power walk or run, doing sports, just enjoying the fresh air before the city starts to get really, really busy. And everything's about to change this week. We've had sunshine, blue skies, incredible weather for mid-December in Benidorm town, and we enjoyed it quite a lot with all of you guys. But this night it started to rain already. You can see the streets are still humid after this night. And the curious thing is that the rain came out of nowhere. It was supposed to be raining. Then the weather forecast said it's not going to be raining at all. And all of a sudden, from one day to the other, the weather forecast shows the whole entire week of rain. Today, Saturday, is still the day when we can see a little bit of the blue sky right there in front of us on the horizon. But clouds will slowly but surely will be making their way to Benidorm, and starting from tomorrow, it is almost 100% that it will be raining in almost all the surface of Benidorm town. So we will see what kind of days will we have. Hopefully, even if it will be raining, we'll still get some rays of sunshine every now and then. And the temperatures will also not be as pleasant as they were before. We've reached 21 degrees these past days, and it was a glory on the sunshine. Right now, it is way more cloudy. The sun's not shining that much, and the temperatures will drop. We'll have maximum of 15 degrees these upcoming days, which means that some jackets, if you wish, some sweaters, scarves, something to cover up if you're coming here on holidays. Right now it is morning time and it is around 12 degrees. So you can see quite a lot of people are still wearing their jackets and hats because it is quite chilly. Even though we can see palm trees all around us, don't get fooled. It is not a summer feel here right now. Everything is so quiet and there's no one on the Levante beach. Absolutely not a single person is right now by the beachfront. The sun is not shining, so unless you're doing sports or just want to do like a power walk by the beach, there's not going to be any people out here. And this is what we can see, that such a long beach with no one on it. The clouds are slowly but surely making their way towards Benidorm town. And we're protected by the mountains, which is why you can see clouds just hanging on top of these. But there's still a long way to go today. So probably these clouds will be coming to our area sooner than later. What can you do when it's raining in Benidorm? Honestly, a lot of people say, oh, my holidays will be spoiled, will be over if it's going to be raining. It depends on what will you do. Obviously, if you want to stay on the sunshine by the beach, yes, then maybe you could technically tell this, but there's plenty of restaurants, bars, and cafeterias where you can still sit down. Those are nicely decorated for Christmas, such as Cafe Roman, there's the Bikini Beach Bar, and many others. And all these places will be available for you guys. They're all covered up so that you wouldn't be cold on the terrace grabbing some nice drinks or snacks. There's also an option to visit nearby shops, businesses for something useful, for some souvenirs, shopping. You can also go to Christmas markets and local villages, check out the viewpoints, the cultural spots, historic spots. Have walks down the Levante Beach Promenade, which is what a lot of people do right now. Check out the Poniente Beach. Go to highest viewpoints, such as the Hotel Bali. On the top, you have an incredible viewpoint, which is higher than the floor 50. Really, really recommended if you want to see Benidorm from the top. Obviously, if you want something warmer, you can always go to the shopping mall, indoor markets, or even get a massage or a spa treatment. There's plenty of nice spas available here in Benidorm town, such as Benicaldea, the one at the Sandos Monaco, and many other. Even campings have some nice spas, such as Almafra Camping in Alfaz del Pi, slightly outside Benidorm town. So there's plenty of options that you can choose on a rainy day. And especially knowing that there's people who are coming from countries where rain is more than a usual and typical thing. It's not like for us who live here in Spain. When we see rain, we immediately cancel our plans because there's not much more to do on the open air when it's raining. But for those who are coming from rainy countries and cloudy countries, this is no different. People can still go on with their lives. They can still enjoy. And it's nice. There are still options for your holidays here. By the way, some police cars here, remember in the yesterday's news update, we'll let you know that, hey, Benidorm's local police is doing a safe Christmas. And this is actually very nice. It's really appreciated because it does make us feel way safer than in general we already feel. And this is a special operation, if you want to call it like this, where Benidorm police will be way more present all over the Christmas squares, Christmas alleys, the ice skating rink, the typical shopping streets, to make sure that locals and tourists are completely safe in our area. Typical bars here, it's sad because they are completely empty, but they're just opening up now. So throughout the day, probably people will start waking up and will start heading towards the beach. Whenever the sun's shining, it's just inviting you to go outside, but when it's slightly cloudy, it's just not the case, at least for now. Some places are even still closed, not open, because it doesn't make any sense. There's literally no one on the streets who they can cater for. So why to open up, right? Plenty of water here, so I suspect it's not a jet like pressure wash. It's like a pressure wash. It's the rain because all the beach is humid. It was raining around 3-4 in the morning. Not a lot, but it was. So now we have the city like after a couple of days of rain. People are going on with their usual lives. The supermarkets are open. Some of the places here and businesses are closed down. Some for holidays, others forever. Clouds are coming our way slowly but surely. Hopefully there's still going to be some sunshine at least, which I suspect there will, at least a tiniest bit. But overall, some rain is also good. Remember that in our region, it doesn't rain a lot in summer. So everything that rains up until the summer season is really much appreciated because if not, we might have a risk of fires. Last year, we had an extreme risk for fire and our natural park here in Benidorm was closed down for a week or 2 weeks. And it was actually quite dangerous because at any second, helicopters were patrolling because at any second, the fire could just arise out of nowhere. And it did happen in a lot of parts in Spain, if you remember it from past summers. So yeah, we have to be grateful that the rain comes our way at least every now and then, which doesn't happen really often in our region of Benidorm, as you might know. More than 320 days of sunshine, which leaves us with 40 days basically, of possible cloudy or rainy weather. And throughout the whole year, this is not a lot, trust me. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of leaves. Look at this. Oh, it definitely feels like autumn/winter now. There's plenty of leaves from all the giant trees that provide such a beautiful and nice shade in Benidorm when it's summer season. But right now, all these trees are just taking their leaves away. All the leaves are just falling down, and I would say that shortly Town Hall will just cut all the branches as they do every single year. So we'll have slightly an uglier Mediterranean avenue without all these beautiful autumn trees right now. This looks very nice. It does remind us of a colder cities. This part doesn't look like Benidorm because it looks cold. It looks like an authentic autumn, no palm trees around. But this is our city. Quite a lot of businesses are still closed because it is earlier than 10 in the morning. We woke up quite early today and decided to show you guys how the city looks like with a little bit of rain and preparing for some rainy week. More clouds start to come, but hopefully some sunshine will also be here every now and then. Having a whole week of rain, no one likes it, I suppose, and we don't like it either. It is too much. One day of rain, that's perfectly fine, but if we have not a nice weather 2 or 3 more days in a row, this is not something that even Spanish would want. We're happy with our sunshine, more than happy. You can see that in the morning, the city is really quiet, even though it is weekend. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walk down Benidorm's Levante beach. You can see that clouds are here, absolutely beautiful views of sun surrounding and trying to escape the clouds. We'll see you in a brand new video this evening, and tomorrow we'll see if rain will actually catch us or if we'll be lucky once again. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you this evening.